Are you tired of struggling with heavy vacuums that are difficult to maneuver around your home? Say hello to the Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum, your solution to effortless cleaning. Let's dive into what makes this vacuum stand out from the crowd and why it's a must-have for your cleaning arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum into your home. Lightweight and maneuverable design. Say goodbye to bulky and cumbersome vacuums. The Kenmore DU4080 is designed with your convenience in mind. Weighing under 12 pounds, this full-sized upright vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, allowing you to effortlessly navigate around furniture and tight corners without feeling weighed down. Cleaning your home has never been easier or more enjoyable. Effortless transition with lift-up technology. Tired of struggling to clean stairs and above-floor areas with a heavy vacuum? The Kenmore DU4080 features innovative lift-up technology that allows you to quickly transition to a lightweight pod for easy cleaning on stairs and above-floor surfaces. Say goodbye to lugging a heavy vacuum up and down stairs. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier. Advanced HEPA filtration for clean air. Breathe easier knowing that the Kenmore DU4080 is equipped with a completely sealed air path and HEPA filtration system. This advanced filtration system traps 99–97% of dust particles down to 0.3 microns, keeping them out of the air you breathe and ensuring a healthier home environment for you and your family. Say goodbye to allergens and enjoy cleaner, fresher air with every pass of the vacuum. Versatile cleaning tools for every task. The Kenmore DU4080 comes equipped with a range of versatile cleaning tools to tackle any cleaning challenge. From individual upholstery tools to a 3-in-1 combination tool featuring a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, this vacuum has everything you need to achieve a whole home clean. Say goodbye to dirt, dust, and pet hair. No corner will be left untouched. Illuminate your cleaning path with LED headlight. Navigate dark corners and under furniture with ease thanks to the Kenmore DU4080 Swivel Plus LED headlight. Illuminate your cleaning path and spot hidden dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough clean every time. With its advanced features and powerful suction, no mess will be left behind. Upgrade your cleaning routine with Kenmore DU4080. In conclusion, the Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum is a game-changer for your cleaning routine. With its lightweight design, powerful suction, and advanced features, it's the perfect cleaning companion for any home. Upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the difference with the Kenmore DU4080. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.